Want to remove photo backgrounds instantly without paying? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you Canva's Pro Background Remover and a 100% free hack that works every time. Let's get started, and don't forget to hit like if this helps you. First, let's check out the Canva Pro version. Perfect if you edit often. Just log into canva.com, open a new design, and upload your photo. Click on your image, then click on Edit Image, and choose Background Remover from the Magic Studio. And that's it. Canva removes it in seconds. You can fine-tune the edges and download it as a PNG for transparent background. If you work with many photos, Canva Pro is totally worth it. There's even a free trial link below. Now for the free way. No sign-up, no watermark. Go to remove.bg in your browser, upload your photo. The background disappears automatically. You can adjust if needed, then download it as a transparent PNG. It's free for regular use, great for quick projects. Canva Pro gives smoother results and full control for bulk edits, while remove.bg is faster and completely free for single photos. For best results, use high-contrast images and always export in PNG format. And that's how you can remove any background in seconds, free or unlimited. Which one will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Canva hacks. See you in the next video.